Yo, what's up? It's Mark back here with another video, and I am installing those Dayton Audio DC160-4 woofers. Now, I'm taking out the Alpine component set that I had here, or at least half of it, because I do like the tweeters that came with this component set, but I don't like the woofer that much. As you can see, I'm just gonna start here and compare it to the Dayton Audio woofer, and you can just see the difference. I mean, look at it. The magnet, just everything about it just looks like it's going to be much better. So that's why I'm installing this. I already got a kit installed and everything. You got to cut these tabs off, and I might as well just say it while I'm in the video. I kind of messed up my audio, so I didn't want to give you that bad audio and stuff. So I'm just doing this voiceover and everything, but right now I'm just cutting off the little tabs that come in those metric kits. So if you pull your 6x9 out of here, this is what you got to kind of do, make things fit. You know, you get the adapter and you cut off these little tabs, because the woofer is just much bigger than those tabs, and they leave those tabs in there so you can do 5 1/4 inch woofers if you want to. Anyways, I'm just installing the woofer. It lines right up. It's already got the holes and everything. I pre-did some of the wiring, of course, because I had those Alpines in there. And what I'm doing now is I'm going to add some foam around the opening of that woofer, just on the outer part of it. And the only reason you want to do that is to keep the vibration down and keep the seal real good. Now, this is some of that foam that you put around your doors, you know, in your house, if you want to keep the cold air out and everything like that. And I'm just going to put some of that around there. But I think let me see what I did here. This voiceover was not as easy as things, but yeah, I think I put the foam around the adapter, because look on the other side of it, you can see that it's not there. Now, they did some kind of insulation between the stock woofer and everything with these rubber kind of J-nuts or whatever they are, whatever screws into it. But now you can see me, I'm just kind of taking off some of that foam, and I put it on the adapter. And I had to leave a little section cut out for the wiring and everything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and install that and everything. Right now what I'm doing is I'm soldering on the connector, because I just don't trust a little twist it off and tape it kind of method that most people do. I just don't believe in that kind of stuff. I'm just going to definitely solder and heat shrink my connections, because you got to have everything sealed up. You don't want anything touching in there. You don't want any shorts or anything. So doing that right now, and it's a good investment to have a butane type of soldering iron. Right now I am putting on Tessa tape. If you don't know what that is, you can see it all over your car. If you just look at some of the wiring harnesses, they have Tessa tape on them, and it's kind of a fabric type of tape that you put on stuff. It prevents vibrations, and it just looks good. That's what I like about it. So putting that around my wire and everything, trying to keep everything vibration free, and just keeping everything taped up and just tidy, because that's how I like it. Right now I'm putting in the Dayton woofer, so everything's gonna match up. Make sure you get your polarities right, or everything's gonna sound just screwed up, and you don't want that. Make sure you're using screws that won't rust. I don't know if they're galvanized or just I think I'm using aluminum type screws, and you can get those from your hardware store. So I put those in, and I think I got it all installed here. It's all ready to go, and now here's where the audio gets better, and I can start talking about it. Okay, what I'm running now is a 40 hertz test tone, and what I do is use that to check for vibrations. Definitely check the woofer flow, of course. It's doing its thing. I don't know if you can see that vibration. If I touch it, you'll see it's doing its thing. But the motor seems real smooth on the woofer, and I don't feel any vibrations within the door. I'll assume that's going to be good. Alright, got the panel put on and everything like that, and it sounded pretty good. Just no vibrations. Not bad. Not too bad. Okay, so I put in the woofers, and I liked them for about 2 days. And what happened with that is, okay, they're good woofers, don't get me wrong, but you're gonna have some kind of I don't know how to say this other than just, it's not putting out enough mid-range, like as far as covering the voices and things like that. That's what I didn't like about the woofer, because it didn't cover enough of that frequency that you get from you know, words and, you know, people's voices in the music. For the price, it's a good woofer. It just doesn't do good on the mid-range, and that's why it came out. Also, it did up to its power rating, which was very good, but then it did start bottoming out a little bit on certain songs. And I had to adjust my crossover on my DSP, and that's okay. That's what you got to do to, you know, to protect the woofer and everything. But my alpines that I had in there in the beginning of the video that I took out, that was much better on the handling. And I don't know if they had any kind of chokes in there, because it does have something soldered on the side of the woofer cage and everything. Some kind of resistor or coil or whatever, because I've seen it. You might have seen it too in the video. But yeah, they had to come out, and I can only half recommend the Dayton Audio DC160 woofers and the 4-ohm version. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. You want to see more videos like this, doing just kind of random stuff all the time, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and that's pretty much it.